Hello and welcome back. So I started working on the video for the AC Infinity Airframe T7, but things didn't really work out as planned. Not that there's anything wrong with this product, but when I went to go double check to make sure there weren't studs in the places where I actually wanted to mount this thing, as it would turn out, after double checking myself, there are studs exactly where I want this thing. So I thought about mounting it, or not mounting it, but actually cutting through the door and mounting it in there, but I think it would be just too ugly. Now, I'm not saying this product is ugly because it and its other cousin, the black version of this, are actually really nice looking, but there's just something that is gross about a vent in a door in a house or a vent against the wall. Like, it's hard for me to picture this up against the wall, especially with black fans on the inside, and it just doesn't really appeal to me. Now, I could do it like above a door frame. Like, I could probably live with that, but unfortunately, there's studs above the door frame, exactly where I need this thing to go. So it would be offset. It wouldn't be centered with the door frame, which, I guess I could mount it there, but that would make it even worse. And I already don't like the idea of having a vent or an exhaust vent like on the wall. The registers in the ceilings or on the floors are bad enough, and I can live with those for the most part because you kind of have to have them. But there's just something ugly about it, and whatever it is it's just preventing me from moving forward, especially mounting it in like an offset or even like a vertical way. So we're dropping that project for now. I am not sure when we will get back to trying to cool a server room. It could be quite some time. But there are some things to look forward to now that this project has been pulled off of the table, as they would say. I'll be go ahead and working on my AT&T video because I've been meaning to work on that for a while. I'm just struggling to find extra help or someone to help me with that video. But as soon as I can lock down somebody, it will come. And I also need to get you guys the results of the all NVMe SSD array because there's some pretty interesting things, as I may have mentioned before. But I kind of want to make like a video telling about my experience versus just telling you guys to go off and read about it. Because I think it's slightly more fun that way, maybe. But anyway, that's really there all is to say. And unfortunately, nothing cool, nothing going on. And yeah, see ya.